Quality isn't a checklist, it's a culture. It arises from deep within the heart of a company. It radiates. It lives. Quality control is fundamental to every corner of our business. It's owned by every member of our team, from apprentice to president, from engineering to shipping, from fabrication to data analytics. Quality control is a shared commitment that fuels everything we do. ISO certification, stringent machining tolerances, real-time feedback, all strengthened by the most cutting-edge technology and processes in the industry. It means unmatched execution and precision on every project we touch. Our temperature-controlled inspection department allows us to inspect each product with meticulous scrutiny, from raw materials to final assembly. Our new Leica 3D laser tracker brings an unprecedented level of precision to even the largest manufacturing and assembly applications, both on our production floor and in our clients' facilities. No matter the project size or complexity, we ensure the highest standard of quality. Proven in our work-holding tolerances, demonstrated in our automation assemblies, experienced in our client relationships. It's who we are. Ahaus, built for quality, built for good.